Welcome back everyone. I am Arvind and today we will work on something that makes your English sound natural and confident. We are focusing on WH questions with the verb be. These are the questions you use every day to get real information, not just yes or no answers. You already hear them all the time, and after a few minutes of practice you will start using them naturally too. First, let us be clear about what WH questions are. They are questions that begin with words like what, where, who, when, why, which, and how. These words ask for information. If I say, "Are you hungry?" you can answer yes or no. But if I say, "Why are you hungry?" now you need to give a reason. That is the power of WH questions. They ask for details, explanations, places, reasons, and people. When you use them correctly, your English will sound more natural and real. Now let us look at the simple structure. The formula is very easy. Start with the WH word, then use the correct form of be, then the subject, and then the rest of the sentence. So in normal speech you put the WH word first, then am, is, or are, then the person, and then the information you want. For example, where are you from? Why is he upset? Who is she? When are we leaving? What is the problem? How are you today? Notice the order. It is always the same. WH word, be, subject, then details. A quick trick is to take a yes or no question and simply put the WH word in front. Are you happy becomes why are you happy? Is he at home becomes when is he at home? That trick will help you form many questions easily. Let us do a quick practice together. I want you to speak out loud even if you are alone. Say this sentence with me. Where are you right now? Now answer out loud. I am at home, or I am at the office, or I am in my room. Good. Now try this one. How are you today? Say I am good, I am tired, or I am excited. Speaking out loud like this trains your mouth and your mind to work together. Keep practicing these short exchanges and you will feel more confident. Now I will show you a short conversation with Ramesh. Listen to how naturally WH questions fit into real talk. Arvind says, "Hey Ramesh, where are you going?" Ramesh says, "I am going to the shop." "Why are you asking?" Arvind says, "Because I need snacks." "And when are you coming back?" Ramesh says, "In about 10 minutes. Who is coming with us to the movie later?" Arvind says, "Rahul is coming." "How is he feeling now? Is he still sick?" Ramesh says, "No, he is fine today. What is the plan for tonight?" Arvind says the same plan, movie, dinner, and then maybe tea. Ramesh says, "Perfect. Let us go." Did you notice how smoothly the questions move the conversation forward? WH questions are the tools you use to find out details. And that is what makes conversations interesting. Try to use them when you speak with friends, family, or classmates, and watch how the talk becomes richer. Now I will ask you 5 WH prompts, and I want you to answer each one out loud. First, what is your favorite food? Second, where are you studying English? Third, why are you improving your English? Fourth, who is your favorite actor? Fifth, how are you feeling right now? Say your answers in full sentences. Do not just think, actually say them out loud. This will help you remember the patterns and build confidence in speaking. And that is the lesson for today. Remember the pattern, WH word, be, subject, then information. Use these questions everywhere, in texts, in real conversations, and even when you are practicing alone. WH questions give you the power to get real information and to sound like a natural speaker. Great work today. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next unit.